So once again, we're headed for Gold Bar Rim. We got Lily with us. So she's gonna supervise. Sean's driving the Jeep. Mike's slinging the camera.
Hi.
Yeah, wave at Mike. This is gonna be an interesting little thing because we're taking the tow truck this time. We're probably gonna dead pull the vehicle out, but we wanna see the situation. But I kinda wanna do a comparison between pulling with the wrecker or pulling with the buggy. So this will be a fun little thing to see which one pulls the Gold Bar waterfall better in a dead pull.
I'm stuck. I need a tow.
A long way from Target. So he was going through the Golden Crack, and you usually pick tires when you go through the Golden Crack. You got to go a little sideways, and it tipped up like this and tipped up, and then it slammed down and deployed all his airbags, all his side curtain airbags.
That had to be a rough experience.
He said it was kind of violent.
I could imagine.
No, I don't trust it.
Here you go. Just a little help. No problem. Look at this. Perfect line.
It's spinning time.
Yes.
Okay, so I seen in some of the comments, people were asking about air pressure on the towed vehicle. If raising the air pressure would make it roll easier over obstacles. Yes and no. Yes, it would roll easier, but it also transfers the forces of hitting a rock harder into the components of the vehicle. So when you hit a bump or you hit a ledge or something like that, and you're rolling along, whereas a lower pressure tire is going to kind of mold over it, then the higher pressure tire is just going to slam and then bend tie rods, mess stuff up, screw things up. So leaving the air pressure down is actually more of a benefit than it is a bonus, in my opinion.
go, you got it?
Like butter.
Yeah. Okay, so we got a rock in the duals. We're here to witness some magic. We got a tire bar, pry bar situation.
I don't know if it's gonna do it itself, but
All right, go ahead. No. Okay. Didn't work. So instead, we're gonna lasso it. When all else fails, just grab it and pull it out.
well, that wasn't. I wasn't pulling that out of where it was at. All right, so we're at the trailhead. It's just dirt road from here on out to the trailer. So, quick touch base on something. I am not talking smack on Toyotas. I'm not insulting anybody in the world that has IFS suspension, okay? Please don't take it that way. I'm simply pointing out that if you're gonna come out here and play in the rocks, you have to upgrade everything on it. You gotta upgrade, you've gotta research, you gotta do some stuff. I know a lot of guys do the overlanding with the Toyotas and they work great for that. You go out camping, you go out do that, but when you overload it with so much stuff, you then are stressing suspension components and axle components beyond what they're rated for. You have to remember the weight capacity of the vehicle. I'm not saying the Jeeps are any better. They break just as much when everybody starts piling stuff on them. I have really good luck with my rigs out here because I try to cut weight down. I try to be as light as I can. My Buggy is stupid light and it hardly ever breaks anything because it doesn't have enough weight to destroy itself. That's all I'm pointing out. So nobody shoot me, nobody hunt me down. It's all good. All right. So I hope you guys learned something. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment. Please give us your feedback. We love it. And thank you for watching. Okay, what trailer are we on? Go bar rim, good job. What are you doing tomorrow?
I'm going to go get my nails off.
Yeah, you're going to get your nails done tomorrow. Well, you got your nails done a couple weeks ago. Now you got to go get all the stuff off.
Yeah.
Because it's the color changing nail polish.